Ma'am Dato. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Brittany Feitardo. So I will discuss about learners with difficult circumstances living in remote places. So it describes children living in remote places, victims of war, products of broken families, street children, and victims of abuse. So these children face a greater risk and have class access to survival, development, protections, and participation. So all children are not fortunate enough to receive an environment which is conducive to provide appropriate development and opportunities. The need to protect the some children's in certain grad greater than other due to their specific socio-economic and political circumstances and geographical locations. They are vulnerable in terms of risk to their right to survival, development protections, and participations. So, what are the challenges of student in remote places? So, the challenges faced by learners in remote access include limited facilities assistance, parents' limited time to company, learning lack of communications between teachers and parents preventing chronic contains in learning. So the strategies of dealing with difficult teaching approach in useful acronym by remembering the good approach dealing with student. Hear what the student's saying, emphasize the student's situations, assess what the student's needs are referred to campus where resources tell appropriate campus that respond to student to place appropriate behavior, don't ignore the problem, arrange the private time to talk away from classrooms and semi-public. Be supportive, respectful, don't get into argument, and don't get caught for emotional state. So acknowledge their distress as how can help provide options for students or as a come up options, don't abel diagnose, assess for any possible harm, and referrals. So, an example during instructors, Green's class, when students repeatedly interrupt with opposition's negative comments, the comments are confrontational or nature seems aimed by undermining the instructor's green role in classroom using the accommodations above instructors. So Green should not let their behavior continue more class sessions for two before asking meet with the students outside of the class. So when meeting the student's instructor, Green should not get emotional or get into arguments rather than using language such as here's and I'm observing or I'm concerned or instructors Green should ask to hear the concerns of the students what's going on and listen without judging students in possible that there are not causes of the issues that can be addressed. So instructor Green should offer to help student by asking how she can help or offering some suggestion ranging from let's agree or disagree in this issue. Bring your concerns to me privately when you have them. So I'll consider your suggestions for doing different assignments if appropriate. So he, there are some honor code by or even dropping the class. So the student is given the power to opportunity to make a responsible choices. That's all. Thank you.